Hello everyone, I'm jumping in quickly because right now this is the busiest season for us, photomagnet makers. There are many orders, the pace is fast, and this is exactly when mistakes happen most easily. Today I want to share a short but very useful trick that I use in my daily work. It helps you at the same time to stay more organized, to avoid mixing up orders, and to leave a strong professional impression on your clients. This trick works no matter what type of packaging you use. Here's is the situation. You have an order with 2, 3 or even more set of magnets. Instead of the client opening bags, packages or boxes and wondering which set is for whom, we can do something much more professional. Even if it's just a simple bag, the moment of opening is the client's first real contact with your work. And that's where small details make a big difference. Here's how I do it. In this example, the order has 5 sets. First, inside the folders where the photos for each set are saved, I take a simple screenshot, one for each set. I open the screenshot in a basic program like Paint. I don't edit anything unnecessary and I print it on a regular paper. Then I cut out and attach it to the package. What is the result? The client immediately sees which set is for whom. There is no need to open anything. Everything is clear, clean and well organized. And for you, fewer mistakes, better organization and a small but very important professional touch. That helps you to stand out. They're exactly the small details that client may not notice consciously, but they definitely feel them. That's all from me for today. I hope this tip is helpful and that you will use in your next orders. I wish you happy holidays and successful new year. Subscribe to my channel because I have many new and practical ideas prepared for coming year. See you soon.